Are you looking to buy camping tables? We have researched and put the best products for you. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best camping table available in the market. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our channel. By the way, start the video. Coming at number 5. GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 20 Outdoor Folding Table. The GCI Outdoor Camp Table is a lightweight, compact folding camping table. With its telescoping legs, the one-piece table can collapse for easy storage, and then expand into a durable, sturdy, full-size table. The table seats 2 people for dining or can serve as an outside side table. Made from durable and lightweight aluminum, the GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 20 folds easily for storage and travel, but can also be set up as a complete outdoor dining table for 2. Then number 4. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation Portable Outdoor Folding Table. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation Portable Outdoor Folding Table brings the kitchen outside with enough counter and storage space to accommodate a camping stove or grill, cooking utensils, and cookware. A fold-out camping table brings the kitchen outside with an aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. One-piece powder-coated steel frame unfolds easily to reveal an aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. Next, number 3. GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker Collapsible Rocking Chair. The GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker Collapsible Rocking Chair is designed to be the most versatile piece of outdoor furniture available, providing you with a place to relax, watch television, or even read a book. GCI's lightweight portable chair is perfect for picnics, backyard barbecues, camping trips, beach days, poolside relaxation, and more. Compact, durable, and easy to fold and store, the collapsible outdoor chair is perfect for transporting and storing. Then our list is number 2. Coleman Outdoor Folding Table Ultra Compact Aluminum Camping Table. This folding table from Coleman Outdoor is the perfect addition to any camping trip or outdoor party. It features a compact design, which means it's easy to transport and store. The table is lightweight and folds up easily. It's a great option for camping, picnics, and other outdoor events. If you are looking for a compact, lightweight aluminum camp table for the great outdoors, look no further than this Coleman folding table. Finally, number 1. Lifetime Height Adjustable Craft Camping and Utility Folding Table. Made from heavy-duty steel and high-density polyethylene plastic, this folding camp table is durable and sturdy. Durable steel frame and top makes this folding table a must-have in your camping and outdoor adventure. Great for taking on the go, fold and unfold easily. With 4 seating positions and adjustable heights, this folding camp table is perfect for any camping trip. That's it for today, guys. These are the top 5 best camping tables for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.